With 2022 coming to an end, and what a tumultuous year it's been in the financial markets. At the time of this recording, stocks are down, bonds are down, gold is down, crypto is down. And as all eyes turn to 2023, the big question is this the year that everything begins to turn around? And so in this video, I'm going to show why I believe the bull market for crypto begins next year and share some of the biggest developments that have happened in just the last couple of weeks, amidst all the bankruptcies and chaos. Someone needs to keep posting upbeat content in the worst part of this bear market, right? So if you do enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like. Always appreciated. Okay, first up, with high inflation, a war in Europe, ever rising interest rates, why do I believe the bull market starts in 2023? So first up, this is a great chart which shows the bull markets and the bear markets of crypto all in one chart. And this is Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin's inception was here, and this was the first bull run. And after the first bull market cycle, we went into this bear market here. The market bottomed about here and went into the second big run, which then turned into the green one, another bear market. Here we are up to the halving, and then this was the last big bull run where we had this double top. It began crashing, and here we are. And we've had these huge crashes in 2022 where it just kept going lower. So as you can see, we're now in the worst part of this bear market. So why do I think the bull market starts in 2023? Well, the big point to take away is that the bull market actually starts at the very bottom of the bear market. So you can see in orange, the bull market, this huge run here, actually started here. In green, the last bull market cycle actually started here, and we're pretty much around that time. So we've either already hit the bottom here, or in the next 3 to 6 months, taking us into the first half of 2023, this is likely where the next bull market is going to start. And then as we build up to the halving, I then believe it's game on. So now let's take a look, even in all this fear, uncertainty, and doubt and chaos going on in the crypto market, what's been going on the development side over the last couple of weeks. So first up, starting with Binance, and Binance is certainly under fire at the moment. CZ's philosophy is just to keep building throughout all the FUD, and they've gained another 2 licenses, this time in Guam and the American Samoa. As he says, keep building lads, don't get distracted. And building on that, what you'll notice here is that you can now pay phone bills with crypto in Bahrain. And this is the adoption of Binance Pay in Bahrain. Over to Dominica, and they've partnered with Huobi for a digital identity program. And not just a digital identity program, but also a national token. So clearly, they fully believe in crypto technology, and whether we like it or not, digital identity is probably coming our way. On to Brazil, and Congress is pushing through legislation to regulate crypto payments. So Congress has finally pushed the bill, and all that needs to be done now is for it to be signed by the president, and you'll be able to use Bitcoin and other crypto assets to pay for things in Brazil. Then flying over to Japan, and a huge utility company has partnered with a local hardware maker, and they're going to be using their excess power to do crypto mining. So another huge company in the Far East getting into crypto mining. Then more ETFs have come our way. Bitcoin and Ether futures ETFs have now gone live on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. So 2022 seems to be the year of the futures-based ETFs, but it's only a matter of time until the spot ETFs come our way. But this is huge news and the first happening in the Far East. Then, even in the midst of the epic collapse of FTX and Alameda, it hasn't put off all institutional money. $138 billion investment manager Man Group have launched a crypto hedge fund. And in my opinion, this is an excellent time to be getting into crypto. If things are at rock bottom, the only way it can go is up. So what a great time to be getting into crypto from Man Group. Then Fidelity, one of the biggest investment managers in the world, who's been pushing crypto adoption over the past few years, primarily focused on institutional capital. They've now launched crypto trading for retail. So Fidelity Crypto is your opportunity to buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum using the Fidelity app. So this is huge for crypto and great for retail customers. Now check this out. We had the big institution, reputable Harvard, had a researcher do some due diligence, and his conclusion was central banks should be buying Bitcoin. So it's easy for the banks to ignore all us retail investors who clearly want crypto. They've now got Harvard telling them to do the same. Then, hot off the press, we have former US President Donald Trump, who has historically been a crypto skeptic, has just launched his own NFT collection on Polygon. And these are Trump cards. So from crypto skeptic, Donald Trump is now using Polygon. And finally, which I did a dedicated video on, this is Larry Fink, chairman and CEO of BlackRock, explaining that the global bond and stock market will probably be moving over to crypto technology because it's fast, because it's instant settlement, and it's cheaper because you get rid of the middlemen. And just an additional point for any crypto skeptics, if this turns out to be a private blockchain, that's still okay because it legitimizes the technology, and there'll be so many other things that will be built on crypto. So this piece was huge. So even though the fear, the uncertainty, the doubt is at an all-time high, we still have new companies accepting crypto for payment and more coming. More companies getting into crypto mining. Institutions like Harvard telling the banks to buy Bitcoin. Former presidents now launching NFTs. And BlackRock saying the entire stock market and bond market will be moving over to blockchain technology. And all this was in just the last couple of weeks. And as mentioned at the beginning of this video, we have to remember that the bull market will start at the very bottom of the bear market, which is why I believe this will be kicking off in 2023. So there you are, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Now, if you're still in crypto, well done, as we're now in the worst part of this crypto winter. And if you can avoid the finger pointing, the poo slinging, and the global FUD, and even if you've taken some big hits, remember, crypto will rise again. And for now, just to say, if you did enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.